Here are the top 10 interesting facts. Fact 1. You might be surprised to learn that Apple was the first company to come up with the design of creating unique iPhones. Fact 2. When a storm hits in Saudi Arabia, its highways, which are surrounded by sand, looks something like this, scattering sand all over the roads. Fact 3 is about a public beach where you can sit on both sides as it curves around. Fact 4. This is not an orange, but a tangerine which looks exactly like an orange. Fact 5. Did you know you can climb the stairs to the top of the Statue of Liberty? Fact 6. There is a hen named Dung Tao with quite strange-looking feet. Fact 7. Friends, did you know our middle finger's nails grow faster than the nails on the rest of our fingers? Fact 8 states that our premature gray hair is caused by a deficiency of vitamin B12. Fact 9. 70,000 thoughts enter our mind in a day, 70% of which are negative.